In this video, we are discussing about China has conducted a flight of a third prototype of its heavy next-generation fighter bomber, known as the J-36, signaling steady and possibly accelerating progress in one of the country's most closely watched future combat aircraft programs. Photographs released on December 25th show the aircraft flying alongside a J-10C fighter, providing a valuable visual reference and confirming that the program has now produced at least 3 flying prototypes. Notably, the newly observed aircraft differs in several visible details from the 2 earlier J-36 prototypes, indicating that the program remains firmly in an experimental and iterative development phase. One of the images was shared by defense analyst Andreas Rupprecht, who highlighted both the timing and significance of the flight. He noted that rather than unveiling an entirely new aircraft type, China's end-of-year surprise appears to be the maiden flight of a third J-36 prototype, an achievement that in itself underscores the scale and momentum of the program. Observers have pointed out that all 3 known J-36 prototypes show noticeable design differences. Based on available imagery, analysts have identified variations in air intake layouts, engine exhaust nozzle designs, landing gear structures, and other external features. These differences suggest that Chinese engineers are actively testing multiple design solutions in parallel before committing to a final production configuration. The first J-36 prototype is believed to have flown roughly a year ago, with the second prototype appearing publicly in October. The emergence of a third flying airframe within such a short time frame has attracted attention from outside China, as it indicates a development pace that is relatively rapid for an aircraft of this size and complexity. The J-36 is generally described as a heavy fighter bomber and is frequently discussed in connection with 6th-generation combat aircraft concepts. While U.S. next-generation air combat programs remain largely in the conceptual, announcement, or early development stages, China has now been observed flying multiple prototypes of what appears to be a large 3-engine combat aircraft, suggesting a more advanced stage of physical testing. Chinese authorities have not released official technical specifications for the J-36, but analysts widely assess that it is intended to replace the People's Liberation Army Air Force's aging JH-7 fighter-bomber fleet, which has been in service since the 1990s. The new aircraft is expected to focus on long-range strike missions, including maritime attack roles critical to regional power projection. Some analysts have drawn comparisons between the J-36 and Russia's Su-34 fullback, a tactical strike aircraft that has seen extensive combat use during the war in Ukraine. Like the Su-34, the J-36 appears optimized for deep strike operations, potentially operating under the cover of friendly air defenses and supported by escort fighters rather than engaging in high-risk frontline dogfighting. Although details about the J-36's sensors, avionics, propulsion, and weapons remain classified, visible design features point towards an emphasis on reduced radar observability and internal payload capacity. The aircraft's size and configuration suggest it could carry a substantial internal weapons load, including advanced precision-guided munitions, air-to-ground weapons, and possibly anti-ship missiles. Taken together, the appearance of a third J-36 prototype reinforces the view that China is moving methodically toward fielding a new generation of long-range strike aircraft. While many questions remain unanswered, the steady emergence of multiple prototypes suggests that the J-36 program is progressing beyond concept and into a more mature phase of real-world flight testing. Subscribe me for more updates.